Facebook watch parties. What is it? How can you use it? And really advanced strategy that we've been playing with that is really genius. And it's going to help you really crush it with engagement inside of your private Facebook groups. Coming up.
Let's go!
Facebook watch parties, what is it? You can take an existing public video on Facebook and create a viewing party. You could live stream it into your Facebook group. And here's the advantage. As we know, Facebook right now is really giving preferential treatment to live footage. It's an event, it's exciting, it's happening live, versus let's say you did a video on your public page and then you want to share it into your private group. Well, if you just share it, there's nothing exciting about it. But what you could do is you could create a watch party and then live stream that event, and that's gonna get more eyeballs on your content. What content do you already have out there publicly that now we can create an event around inside your private groups to get more attention and more engagements? You can start conversations. You can create a playlist, meaning you can play multiple videos inside your watch party. So I know I'm throwing a lot of ideas at you, but I wanted to get your creativity for sure going. But let me jump behind my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. On your computer, you want to go ahead and navigate to your private Facebook group. Now, of course, I recommend that you are an admin of that community. If you're trying to create a watch party and you're not an admin, I definitely would encourage you to reach out to the admin of the group. Make sure you have the permission to do so. So now that we are inside our private Facebook group here, we're gonna go and click on write something to see all the different options, right? And here we go. We can click on watch party. Now we can say something really cool. Come join me. So I recommend definitely spend a couple of minutes, craft something catchy, craft something compelling for people to come join you, okay? And then, as you can see, we click on add video. Now remember, you can only add videos to the playlists that are public already. You cannot share or live stream a video that's private, meaning if it's located in another private group, you're not going to be able to play it, right? So it needs to be public. Let's say I wanted to pull something from our business page. I can just type the name of our page and then I can select which video I'd like to demonstrate. So let's say I'm going to use this one. I can also add multiple videos to my queue. As you can see, I could literally create a party that lasts all day if I wanted to, of course. And then you can play with the other different options that you have at your disposal. Now that our videos are selected, we can choose done. Post. Your watch party is about to begin. Can you even believe it? Oh my goodness. And now this is happening live. How cool is this? And as you could see, we have our beautiful mastermind members jumping on. Look how quickly this is happening. This is pretty crazy, right? Because imagine if this amazing piece of content I wanted to project to my community, but if I just share it, it's not gonna get this much attention this quickly. So this is pretty awesome. And then of course we can now begin communicating. We can start talking about it, right? Now I want to point something out as well. If you fast forward through this video, this is what your viewers are going to see as well. If you decide, you know what, let me go ahead and scooch on over to the next video. Whatever you are doing with the video, this is what your people are seeing as well. So I wanted to give you a heads up about that. As you can see, the comments are starting to come in. And if we wanted to end this party right now, all we do is just come over here and click on End Party. That's it. How cool is that, right? I'm telling you, there's just nothing more boring than taking a piece of content that is stellar, that was already created, and just sharing it in the group. Do you know what I mean? So now let's go out there and play with this awesome opportunity of watch parties. I'd love to hear from you. Have you done it? Have you played with it? Drop me a comment below. I'm telling you, this is so really cool. I cannot wait for you to put this cool little strategy into your playbook, and let's just see the kind of excitement and engagement that now you go out and create inside your private Facebook groups. And for more training just like this, come visit us on our website, mylifestyleacademy.com. Until next time, go crush it. And if you love this video, drop us one of these, drop me a comment below, and thanks so much for being here. I'll see you later. Bye!